Good, happy Valentine's Day morning, my lovely humans. Today is Friday the 14th, and we're gonna vlog this Valentine's weekend. Just warning you, not thrilling. I don't have any major plans or anything this weekend. It's gonna be relatively chill, but I kind of need that. And look, forgot to switch it over there. I was gifted a couple things from my family for Valentine's Day. These are so cute. Absolutely love these. And these are all homemade chocolate things. Delicious. Okay, we're at the gym, but I am not here to work out. I am here to relax in the hot tub because I was in one of the most physically exhausting jobs at work all week, and I'm hurting. So, 189 pounds of lifting 24 times is what we do in the mixed room. It's very exhausting. So, yeah, I'm just here to have a relaxing Valentine's Day. Alright, I just got out of the sauna and I'm gonna go sit in the massage chair. Okay, I'm home from work. I'm sorry that I didn't really vlog much once I got back from the gym. I have on some eye gels that do not want to stay. But it's Friday night. Have some rosé champagne that I bought myself. If you saw the video that I put up on Friday / earlier today, even though it's 12:01, so yeah, yesterday. Oh, this gel. Hold on. But yeah, we ordered pizza at work because one of our friends is moving to third shift. He got the third shift team lead position. Our friend Josh, this eye gel. Sometimes they stay really well, and sometimes they're like, haha, we will not like you at all. So it was bittersweet, but it's not like he doesn't work there anymore. And he's able to, because he got a promotion, he's able to quit driving for pizza. He's able to quit his second job that he was having on the weekends, so his weekends are free again. So that's nice. I had baked cookies for Valentine's Day. They were well appreciated. And yeah, just coming home to relax. And I really think it's important, not just because it's Valentine's Day, but the weekend of the 14th and the 15th, it's really important to take some slow moments for yourself, because the rest of the year, after we're halfway through February, every year, we all know what happens. You've been there before. Just all of a sudden it's Easter, and then it's like, when did it get to be June? 4th of July? What do you mean it's September and kids are going back to school? What? A week till Christmas? You know, every year it happens like that, and it seems like after February it just goes boom. So really want to take some slow moments because they go so quickly. And especially on the weekends, you know, you work so hard to get to the weekend and you're like pseudo burned out, and then the weekend comes and all of a sudden you're like, how is it Sunday night? So it's Friday night. Have a Palo Santo stick going, having some eye gels, and just having a little sip for the Valentine's weekend. And I will see you for continued vlogging tomorrow. I'm also updating for Karen Reed. That's going to be posted tomorrow as well. And yes, I wish you all the best. Keep going on whatever your dreams are. You deserve them. Abundance can be yours. And as long as you love yourself, if you love yourself first, everything else falls into place. Lucille Ball, one of my favorite iconic people of all time, said that. So, blessings to all of you, and happy Valentine's Day. Make sure you show yourself some love. Even if Valentine's Day isn't your celebration thing, you should show yourself some kindness anyway. Bye for now. you know what? Scratch that. I'm taking those moments of life back and taking my own advice. So I decided I have my floating candles. That one obviously got wet. But I have my floating candles. I have a rose petal. I have my flowers in view. I got this for Valentine's Day. Why don't I use it on Valentine's Day? And I got my rosé. I have my thing. Got my stuff over here. I have my all of my like self-love crystals set up. Like, yes. I just wanted to pop in and say that my hair is amazing. That Soak and Float shampoo bar from Lush, my hair is shiny. It's so silky. I mean, I did just finish combing it with a wide tooth comb, but it's shiny and it smells so good. But it's really smooth. My hair was easy to comb through, and my scalp is not itchy. It's very hydrating and moisturized. So, really pleased about that. Uh, yeah, just wanted to throw that little tidbit in. All right, I will see you all in the morning. Bye, my lovely humans. Good morning. It is Saturday. It's actually afternoon. It's almost 12:30. I woke up and laid in bed and watched YouTube, which is not exciting or vloggable. So I don't want to leave this house. I'm getting ready. I have stuff on to go work out, but look at this. See, these look like water. They are ice drops. All of that might look wet. It is slick ice. Problem. Ugh. Like, if you can see if we can zoom in. See, once you get a little closer, you see that it's actually all slicked over and there's frost everywhere. It is not nice looking outside. I don't even want to go. I'm like, I want to stay. I would love to just be able to stay in my pajamas and be a warm, toasty person is what I want to do. But let's go back and be relatively healthy. Speaking of relatively healthy, I ordered some cachava. This is the vanilla. It's a pretty pricey shake, but I'm really trying to get more into my shake and smoothie thing again. It's been nice on my tummy. My tummy has been angry with me. But so getting back into drinking more liquids and having a big powder shake thing. And stuff is actually really good. It's delicious and it's all-in-one nutrition. It has superfoods, protein, essential vitamins, minerals, greens, probiotics, prebiotic fiber, adaptogens, antioxidants, omegas, MCTs, digestive enzymes, and more. There's no gluten, no GMO, no dairy, no soy, no stevia, no preservatives, and no artificial flavors or sweeteners. It is plant protein, and it has 85 superfoods and other things that are plant-based. So that is a joy for me. So, I had a really intense workout, and look what my friend got. Got me a bouquet of flowers. Cute. And so I'm back home now, and I'm having some oolong tea, which is like a very woodsy, earthy, it's a Chinese tea. Ugh. And yeah, I'm going to just enjoy that before I take a shower, and probably just gonna vibe up here. Okay, I'm at Applebee's. I kind of want the 3 cheese chicken penne pasta. So I'm gonna stop in there and then I'm gonna be late to gaming. I was not late to gaming because everyone else ended up being like a half an hour late. So this is what I wore, and yeah, I'm ready to undo the do. Sorry, like there was a lot of yelling at gaming. There was a lot of bad rolls. And there was a lot of confusion about what we needed to do. We're having struggles with an NPC, and we're like, and the DM just keeps going, no, that's not going to work. No, it's not going to work. And we're like, what are we supposed to do? So that's what was happening there. This is not what I wanted to wake up to. When I left my car last night, when I got home, it was pouring down rain. And now... Hello! Good morning. It's still morning. It's 11:47. I was cleaning this atrocious floor. I picked a bunch of stuff up, and this floor is so hard to maintain. But I had this stuff, and I went through, this is my second one of these, trying to clean this stupid floor. It looks beautiful. Very difficult to keep clean. Like, whatever this tile is made out of, things just cling to it, making it really hard to maintain, which is annoying. But that is what I was up to. My friends from gaming invited me to another gaming session for cards. I turned them down. I already canceled my workout. I don't want to go out in the snow if I don't have to. I have some videos I need to do, and I don't want to go out in the world if I don't have to today. So maybe if the weather was not super poopy, I would, but none for me, thank you. Literally been 3 minutes since I last talked to you. It's 11:51. But I am doing Diddy research. I caught wind that there was some new things that were coming up, and I've been covering in my little law enthusiastic, non-legal advice way, the lawsuits, just the amount of victims, alleged victims in this case, is insane. And there is something about how long these things have been going on, and I really am I'm a people over profit person, and so just seeing how when people have money, the amount of garbage that they're allowed to just get away with. I read a post on Instagram that said if breaking a law is punishable by fines, it really just means legal for rich people because they just pay the fine. If you want to punish somebody with a fine, I think it should go based on your income. And companies who violate laws who get fines punishable, I think that you should take away their profit. Like whatever their profit was in the previous year, that's what you fine them. Then they'll listen. If you just charge a multi-million-dollar or billion-dollar company with $100,000 fine, yeah, that's a lot to you and me, but to a multi-billion-dollar company, CEO, blah, 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 they're just like, oh, just pay the fine. And then we'll keep doing our practices that are illegal, bad for the environment and for our employees, etc. It's like, no, you have to hit them hard. So yeah, I'm doing Diddy research. And I have 6 articles that I need to read. Well, I don't need to. They're what I have pulled up that I'm going to read. Oh my gosh, 5 pages of notes, and I'm so frustrated. I found out that January 14th there was a Diddy documentary release, but it's exclusive to Peacock streaming. and I really don't want to pay $8 a month for another streaming service. I don't need a better reason than that to not leave my house unnecessarily. I want to plant my garden. Oh, I can't wait to have much longer days and longer nights. To be able to go out. Oh, but look at this. Got a bruise. It's a teeny tiny one. Don't know where it came from. And it doesn't look like much, but this is one of those bruises that hurts. It's like, oh, it's this tiny little light colored bruise. Very tender. Very tender. Okay, so I've been taking stuff out of my closet. I was cleaning over here. I have the recyclables that I need to take downstairs, and I'm cleaning out the closet. And I just got done wiping all the, like, the mirror and the picture frames and stuff. And got more cleaning to do. Where's my tea? I got another cup of tea, and I need to heat it back up because I just got into cleaning and then didn't really get to drink my tea. So, I'm gonna go do stuff. Okay, so I know this is messy, but I had a new plan. This fell, this needs to come out of here. But the new idea involves reorganizing my closet clothes into sections of worn and not worn. That way I can know things that I have worn recently and things that I haven't, so I can keep a rotation up. Okay, so we have our things hung up. Got pretty things over here. That stuff stuffed up there. These are the jeans that I use for work, so have them here. Have these here. Got this all organized. Got everything off of the bed. Got this all cleaned up. And yeah, looking good. I did not fix that. And I know somebody's gonna be bothered by it, but that someone is not me. I'm probably just gonna take it down. I considered selling it because had it for a long time, and I loves the anime Sailor Moon, but I don't think I need 2 of those, and I've had them for a long time. I've mentioned that in other vlogs. I'm gonna turn this light off now. That doesn't need to be on. And I am hungry. Oh, let's see. It's after 5. I take that back. It's 5:07. And I am hungry. I had a meal replacement shake around noon. And yeah. Let's go see about dinner. Okay, I've just been editing videos and stuff for a while, so I'm gonna end this here. I will see you all in the next video. Bye, my lovely humans.